Exciting news from Royal Enfield. The company has been testing its new 750 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine, and one of the first models to feature this impressive new technology was spotted undergoing testing near Chennai. The motorcycle seen using the new engine looks incredible. It looks like a café racer that might replace the Continental GT 650 when it arrives in the next years. How exciting! We got some great news for all you Royal Enfield fans out there. It looks like the upcoming café racer with a 750 cubic centimeters engine is going to be a real showstopper. Various sources and test results have revealed that it'll have all the style and flair you've come to expect from Royal Enfield, plus one major improvement that'll really make the power plant upgrade shine. Stay tuned for more updates. Typical café racer style features include a front fairing that extends towards the fuel tank, which looks different from the one on the current bike. There's also a round panel under the seat that looks similar to the one on the recently launched Interceptor Bear 650. The long seat with a reclining section for the rider, along with the clip-on handlebars and rear-mounted footrest, give this 750 cubic centimeters café racer a sporty look. However, the major change seen on this test mule comes in the form of twin disc brakes on the front wheel of the bike, which is the first for the motorcycles from Royal Enfield. This brake upgrade seems to be more of a necessity than anything else, as the new engine is expected to produce 5 to 7 brake horsepower more power than the current 650 cubic centimeters twin engine, and it would be nice to see a good increase in the torque output as well. The test bike also looks to have the same suspension setup as the Continental GT 650, which is using conventional front forks and twin rear shocks. The bike also comes with alloy wheels, which could be 18-inch. The bike also comes with a set of pea-shooter exhausts. Royal Enfield's latest 750 cubic centimeters motorcycle range is expected to be introduced in the coming year under the name Café Racer Continental GT 750.